Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Naturally Fab Me. In today's video, I'm super excited to be trying out the Lavender Stimulating Growth System by Camille. I've been dying to get my hands on this collection and I finally did. The first step is to use the Fresh Cleanse. Now it smells pretty good. It smells more like a spa and it's a subtle smell. The consistency is quite liquidy. It's not as thick as most shampoos that I usually use. So let's get into some product claims. It claims to freshen your texture. It also claims to detangle and moisturize your hair. So I will be definitely trying out the detangling. I really don't detangle when I shampoo. I more so detangle when I do my conditioner. And so far so good. I was really able to detangle, which is very surprising. This is my hair all detangled. Oh, and I forgot to mention there is a nice, refreshing, tingling feeling as you apply this to the scalp. Very, very refreshing. Now, this is the amount of shampoo I had to use, which I felt like I had to use a generous amount to get it to really lather. Now, let's get into this deep conditioner, my favorite part of wash day. So, this deep conditioner is a moisturizing hair mask, and it's really thick, as you can see. So let's get into some product claims. This conditioner claims to stimulate the hair and scalp with argan mint oil, aloe leaf juice, and a brew of real lavender oil. This conditioner is consistent with the smell of the cleanse, nice, refreshing, and very subtle lavender scent. Now, as far as this product on my hair, guys, oh my goodness, this felt so cooling. It was refreshing. I really, really love the way it applied on my hair and on my scalp. This is definitely going down as one of my faves. Now, I left this in my hair for about 20 minutes. I did not apply any heat or a plastic bag or cap. So I just allowed it to just sit on my hair for 20 minutes untouched. I would definitely recommend this deep conditioner. It left my curls moisturized, defined them, and just felt amazing. Now let's get into the leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner really surprised me. I was just looking at how thick it was. I've never had a leave-in this thick. Wow. The texture really reminded me of Vaseline. I know that's kind of weird, but it really reminded me of that. But let's get into some product claims. So this conditioner is supposed to soften, detangle, and moisturize. And it has olive fruit, rosemary extract, and lavender oil. So I really enjoyed this leave-in. Even though it's really thick, you may see some white residue on my hair, but that definitely went away. I decided to do a twist out off camera. I did not have a Camille Rose twisting butter or the curl maker, so I just used something that I already had. I really love the way my hair turned out. My hair was very defined. It was moisturized. It just looked good. So very pleased with the whole line. I would definitely give it a 2 thumbs up. I would definitely recommend it. You need to go and try it. So I'll give you more information on my blog. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.